Deal to free Hamas hostages has gotten closer, Aide says. An agreement for Hamas to release hostages taken during its October 7 attack on Israel may be the closest yet and would require a multi-day pause in the fighting in Gaza, U.S. Deputy National Security Advisor John Feiner said. We are closer than we have been in quite some time, maybe closer than we have been since the beginning of this process to getting this deal done, Feiner said Sunday in an interview with NBC's Meet the Press. Negotiations have clearly reached a very sensitive stage after significant progress in recent days and hours, he said on ABC's This Week. Pimco is buying yen to prepare for tighter BOJ monetary policy. Pacific Investment Management Company is buying the yen on a bet the Bank of Japan will be pressured into tightening monetary policy as inflation quickens. The bond giant started building a long yen position when Japan's currency weakened past 140 per dollar a few months ago, said Emmanuel Sheriff, a Pimco fund manager, whose areas of focus include multi-asset investing and asset allocation. As we continue to see inflation in Japan rising and being steadily above their target, they will want to move in the direction of abandoning or changing their yield curve control policies, and eventually there might be a need for a hike, he said last week in an interview in Singapore. Pairs in focus this week: pound sterling to US dollar, euro to US dollar to Canadian dollar, NASDAQ 100, US dollar to Swiss franc, gold, Bitcoin, Nikkei 225. The British pound has rallied during the course of the trading week, as it looks like we are trying to get to the 1.25 level. If we can break above there on a daily close, then the market could look into the 1.30 level given enough time. All things being equal, the market looks as if the 1.20 level underneath is a major support level. Barclays expects bumper Japan profit driven by BOJ trading bets. Barclays plc is expecting another year of record profit in Japan on the back of the country's debt and rates market trading resurgence, marking a bright spot for the UK lender as it struggles elsewhere. The bank's Japan entities are getting more yen rates-related orders from home and abroad, with many overseas institutional clients betting that local interest rates will rise, according to Kosuke Morihara, chief executive officer for the country. It may add to headcount if trading income keeps growing, he said. Is Canada in a recession? And other questions about the economy, answered. Canadians have been waiting for a recession and been told that it's coming for a long time now. So, why are we having a hard time labeling the economy right now? It feels like Canadians have been talking about a recession forever, or at least since the Bank of Canada kicked off a series of 10 interest rate increases in March 2022, 2 years into the global pandemic. Are we in a recession? Thank you.